Welcome to another Machine Monday. So I'm standing in front of one of our forming machines, and often a big discussion within our company is, do we make these forming machines using hydraulics, as I have in front of me, or do we use servo drives and ball screws to make these forming machines? In this particular case, the key criteria was the life cycle of the machine. Many people just do a simple calculation on what the roller screw maximum force could be. They take an average of that and then they determine that as a good criteria to select a particular roller screw. However, doing a life cycle calculation is really critical because obviously you want your machine to last 5, 10, 15 years. Had we chosen to go with a servo motor and a roller screw, it would have been significantly bigger. And the roller screw probably would have had only around about a 250-day life cycle. So obviously that's not good enough. So when you apply a life cycle calculation to selecting whether you go hydraulics or roller screw, often hydraulics comes out a winner. To take care of the accuracy concerns with the hydraulic system, inside here we have a load cell that we have directly connected to the control system so we can control the load. And within this hydraulic cylinder, there's actually a LVDT that measures the distances. So we actually have a completely closed loop solution here where we are controlling position, controlling force, even though it's hydraulic. If you want to know more about our forming machines, if you want to know more about when we choose electric servo and when we choose hydraulics, reach out. Here's another Machine Monday.